Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, we're diving into a Form 8K filing from Y-mAbs Therapeutics, and let me tell you, it's not your average bedtime story. Think roller coaster ride with a dash of medical mystery and a sprinkle of financial intrigue. Let's get started with a quick overview. Y-mAbs just dropped their financial results, and we need to understand what those numbers actually mean. First off, what is a Form 8K? Think of it as a company's breaking news report to the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC. It's used to announce major events that could affect investors. This one is about their financial performance. Let's see what they've been up to. So this report is dated March 4, 2025. That's when they're telling the world about something that happened in the past, specifically covering the end of last year. Here's the heart of the matter. We're looking at the company's financial condition and how they've been operating. Now, let's see what they actually said in their press release that's included as an exhibit. Okay, this is Exhibit 99.1, their official press release. Usually companies are trying to paint things in the best possible light in these, so we'll read between the lines. We need to see what the actual numbers look like. Okay, so the actual financial results are buried in the press release. Companies usually do this to try to make it seem like the positive stuff is more important. I wonder what the numbers actually say. Unfortunately, the filing doesn't have any financial details that we can look into. That is suspicious and probably means that there is nothing good to talk about. Now, one important thing to note is that they specifically say this information isn't officially filed in a way that makes them totally liable. They're making sure that if there are any mistakes or issues, they have some legal wiggle room. That's pretty standard, but always worth pointing out. So where does that leave Y-mAbs? It's hard to say definitively, but here's my take. From the fact that there is a press release but no financials in the Form 8K, it's very likely that there is nothing good to talk about. Companies usually want to show off if there are good numbers. It seems like they're navigating a tricky path. The promise of their treatments is really exciting, especially for kids battling tough diseases. But they're in a high-risk, high-reward field, so they are probably burning through cash, and nothing seems to be going their way at the moment. We'll have to keep an eye on Y-mAbs to see if they can turn things around. The science is promising, but the financial reality is something they need to get under control. Thanks for tuning in to Corporate Decoder. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate filings.